In this video, we will learn how to unbind keys in FiveM. In FiveM, in order to unbind a key, all you need to do is after getting into the game, you need to press the F8 button. After pressing the F8 button, you need to type in unbind, keyboard, then space, then the key that you want to unbind. So in this case, I have some commands assigned to the button H. So I'll type in H, then hit enter. After that, the H button will be unbinded from every command. So no more command will be assigned after I press the H button. You can also try doing unbind all, which will essentially remove all the keybinds. So it is not recommended if you are just wanting to change or unbind a certain key. So this is how you can easily unbind your keys in FiveM and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.